Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Please, sir, is this the 1 million naira, 1 million naira job per month?
Yeah, 1 million naira a month.
Sir, is this still available?
Yeah, the job is still available.
Yes, I have HND, I have BSc, I have NC, I have NGO, I have WHO, I have.
Hold your CV. Hold your CV. Okay. Let me see. Let me see.
What
So you are sure you can work?
I can do it, sir. I can.
You can work.
Yes, I can work. So I'm very eligible, sir. I can do what they asked me to do and what they did not even ask me to do. I'm very good. I'm agile, sir. I have the zeal, I have the passion. I'm very compassionate, sir. Your boss will like me. Yes,
Don't worry. Keep your certificate.
Yes, in my primary school, I had A1 in mathematics.
Worry.
Okay.
Let's just go and see my madam.
Sir, am I resuming immediately?
Yes.
She's in our play.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
Hello. Even the fish we don't have enough fishes here. We need enough fish for the weekend. Hello. When are you getting here? I'm getting crazy right now. Please bring my drink, please. Ah, shit. It's just going crazy.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is my wife.
The lady, the lady for the job. Oh, the lady for the job?
Yeah.
This is my wife, resort man.
Wait,
This is my neck
wait,
resort man.
wait.
So,
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Come closer, okay? Come closer.
This is my wife resort man. This is my GCE. I have all my results here and my credentials. I can work, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, I did well too in my WHO exam.
Oh, wow.
I passed well. Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome.
I didn't pass PHU. I don't know. I'm not good at. I had F9 PHU, but other jobs I'm good at it. I passed fine arts. I missed Yoruba. That day of Yoruba, I'm supposed to write the exam. I wasn't around. I was not feeling if I was purging. So many things surrounded it that day.
Mm-hmm.
And the day I was supposed to write, but my inter-science, I did well. I know biology very well.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. That's
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yeah. I had let me see. Step back a little.
Ma, is this the 1 million naira job per month?
Yes, 1 million. Just come. Let me see.
You
Very
don't know.
nice.
You don't know why it's going on.
Ma, they gave me injection there, ma. Yes,
Oh,
ma. It's
yeah.
killing me, ma. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, injection there.
Well, don't worry. I'm just checking everything.
For malaria, ma.
Yeah, it's very clean. But
Rono.
oh,
Ma, okay.
no, it's fine. Yes.
No, I used to wear underwear, man. Very
Yeah.
covered, man. So,
Okay. So they told you the nature of the job.
Yes, ma.
They told you the job.
Yes, ma. You say secretary, ma. I can secure you, ma.
Now, let me ask you. Can you lick the plates?
Ma?
Can you lick plates?
Oh, is it ceramic plate or plastic plate? Ceramics. I can use ceramic plate or plastic plate. But once I eat, I don't used to finish my. If I don't like licking plate, I just eat what I can eat and leave the rest for God. What type of plate, ma? Ma, for the job, I can do anything. It's 1 million per month.
Yeah, 1 million.
Is it not plate?
You know what?
And what type of plate? Let me get it, ma.
Come with me. I will show you the nature of your job. Let's go. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll lead you. Don't worry. Let me come to my office.
Okay,
just wait. Relax.
Ma,
come to my
should
office.
I give you my NECO result now?
No, you show me everything. Just come to my office. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, I don't know why I didn't pass maths, but I can explain that part. But I'm sure you will like it. Don't worry.
No problem. It's all right. It's okay. My dear, don't worry. Just come.
Yes,
okay.
Mama, you know that in home economics they taught us. Economics they taught us how to eat neatly. So most time, licking of plates it's not really a big deal, ma.
Here we are.
So you're talking about the home economics and the plate, all those things. So when I did home economics, when I did home economics, I didn't do well.
Come here.
Ma, I'm feeling cold.
Hello. Okay.
Yes, ma.
I asked you if you knew the nature of your job. You said yes.
Yes, ma. They told us home economics that we should be eating neatly and to be licking our plate. Licking our plate is not a big deal. You said ceramics.
Listen to me, my dear. My name is AfroCandy. What does my name signify?
That you're a woman of God, ma. You like to do Afro style, ma?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Here we
ma,
are.
I'm feeling cold. I have what's ma.
Yeah,
I'm asthmatic. I have pneumonia.
You're here to lick my plates.
Ma, which plate?
My own plate.
I'm chilled. Ma, the thing is you said plate. Ma.
Right here.
Hell! Hell! They don't mislead me. Hell!
Yeah.
I'm so proud. Nigeria just going to give 1 million naira for salary. I talk him. Mom, okay.
It's okay. It's not that bad. Come. Okay.
I'm something that lives because Lord of chosen is my father.
You spoil your head.
God, I'm not coming. I don't do.
You say
I don't do. I don't work again.
What?
I don't work again. I don't work. Okay, now. Release me.
Get out. Just go. Get out. Get out. Huh?
My neck on is off. Even if I didn't do well, I still need that result.